Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the scene and activating the macro pathway. Open camera, select the main lens at 1x or 0. 5 as needed. This lets the phone switch to the macro system. Once done, make sure macro control is enabled in settings right arrow camera so you can force it on or off. You should also clean the lens and position your subject within about 1-2 centimeters. This close distance is why steadiness matters. Hold your iPhone level and ready to engage focus manually if required. You now compose and secure the shot. Move slowly until the subject fills the frame without clipping edges. Tap the screen to set focus on the specific detail, then long press to lock AE/AF so the phone won't hunt. Once locked, adjust exposure by dragging your finger up or down to avoid blown highlights or crushed shadows. If the subject moves, use burst or live photos to capture multiple frames. This increases your chance of a perfectly sharp image once you review them. You finish by stabilizing and capturing the final frame. Use a small tripod or rest the phone on a flat surface to eliminate handshake. Then take several photos, varying tiny distances to find the sweet spot for sharpness. If you want ultimate control, switch to manual focus in a third-party app to nudge focus precisely. If images are soft, clean the lens, toggle macro off and on to reset the system, and add more light. These steps usually fix common macro issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.